Building your own AI agent-based application has always seemed like an intimidating venture. The thought of programming, integrating APIs, and deploying a functional product might make you imagine endless lines of code and an exclusive skill set reserved for seasoned developers. But what if we told you it's now possible to create your own AI-powered app in just a few simple steps, without needing to be an expert in coding? Thanks to platforms like On-Demand, the process has become not only accessible, but also incredibly efficient. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring how you can create a fully functional AI application from scratch, no matter your level of expertise. To begin, imagine walking into a massive digital library, the On-Demand Agent Marketplace. This is the starting point of your journey. Think of it as a bustling hub filled with ready-to-use AI agents tailored for countless tasks, from shopping assistance to advanced data analysis. For this demo, we'll focus on a practical application, retrieving product data from Amazon. You'll start by logging into the marketplace, where a simple search bar awaits. Type in Amazon Shopping Agent plugin, and you're instantly greeted by a list of related agents. The beauty of the system lies in its simplicity. Even if you've never interacted with AI tools before, the interface is intuitive, guiding you step by step. By clicking Add, you seamlessly integrate this agent into your workspace, preparing it for the next phase of testing. Now comes the exciting part, testing the agent in the playground section. If you've ever tested a gadget or an app to see how it works, you'll feel right at home here. The playground acts as a sandbox, a safe space to explore the capabilities of your selected AI agent. Upon entering, you're greeted with various tools that allow you to tweak the experiment. For instance, the default GPT-4 on-demand model is preloaded, but you can swap it out for custom models from platforms like Hugging Face if you're feeling adventurous. Testing begins by submitting queries. Imagine asking the agent to list Adidas shoes priced between 20 and 40 pounds. Within moments, the results populate, showing products available in the UK, complete with clickable links for verification. And if you need to adjust the region or currency, for instance, switching from the British pound to the US dollar, the system adapts effortlessly, pulling data from Amazon's US store. This flexibility ensures that whether you're shopping locally or exploring international options, the agent delivers precisely what you need. The playground isn't just a testing ground, it's where the magic of AI integration begins to shine. With the agent's functionality confirmed, it's time to move on to the next stage, generating code for your application. Now, don't let the word code intimidate you. The on-demand platform does most of the heavy lifting, providing pre-written scripts tailored to your needs. You simply click Get Code, select your preferred programming language, Python in this case, and watch as the system generates everything you need in seconds. Think of it as receiving a ready-to-use recipe where all the ingredients are measured and prepared for you. But before running the code, you'll need to retrieve two essential pieces of information: an API key and an organization ID. These act like a secure handshake between your application and the AI platform, ensuring everything runs smoothly. In the platform's API key management section, you generate a new secret key, which you must save immediately. It won't be shown again after you close the window. Similarly, your organization ID can be found under the Settings tab. Store both securely, as they'll be critical when making the app operational. Once the code and credentials are ready, the next step is setting up a development environment. For this demonstration, Streamlit, a popular Python framework, will be used due to its simplicity and efficiency. Streamlit enables quick transformation of Python scripts into fully functional web applications with minimal effort. Start by installing Streamlit using pip install Streamlit if it's not already installed. Once installed, open a terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the folder containing the .py file and run the following command: streamlit run app.py. This launches a local server, and within minutes, a new browser window displays the app. Streamlit's intuitive interface ensures seamless deployment, even for beginners. Its dynamic widgets and real-time updates make it ideal for AI-powered applications, data visualizations, or any project requiring interactive elements. Should errors arise during deployment, Streamlit provides detailed logs to identify issues quickly. The extensive documentation and compatibility with powerful debugging tools like GPT-4 further simplify troubleshooting. For example, errors like missing dependencies or incorrectly configured paths can be resolved using clear feedback provided by Streamlit. Moreover, tweaking the app is effortless. Simply save changes in the Python file, and the browser refreshes automatically. This hands-on approach allows developers to focus on building features rather than worrying about infrastructure. Streamlit not only enhances productivity but also empowers creators to share AI innovations with users efficiently and effectively. Your application is now live. The interface includes fields for entering your API key and organization ID, which connect the app to the Amazon's shopping agent. From there, you can start submitting queries, such as show Adidas shoes priced between $20 and $40. The results appear in real time, complete with product links. This seamless interaction between user input and AI response is what makes the on-demand platform stand out. It simplifies complex operations into an intuitive user experience. Customization is the final frontier. Once your app is functional, the possibilities for expansion are endless. For instance, you might decide to replace the default GPT-4 model with a custom Hugging Face model, tailoring the AI's behavior to better suit your needs. Alternatively, you could integrate the app with platforms like React or Android, transforming it from a web application into a mobile-friendly tool. Want to add more features? The agent's capabilities extend far beyond basic data retrieval, making it a versatile tool for various tasks. It can filter products by customer reviews, allowing users to prioritize items with higher ratings or specific feedback patterns. Additionally, the agent can check stock availability in real time, ensuring that the displayed results reflect only items currently available for purchase. These features empower users to make informed decisions quickly, without manually sifting through irrelevant or unavailable options. Thank you for being part of this journey. If this tutorial proved helpful, consider liking, subscribing, and tapping the notification bell to stay updated on all future content. Have any questions or want to showcase your projects? Share them in the comments. Happy coding, and catch you next time.